Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can pin or unpin your previous prompts using Gemini AI. So go ahead and open the Gemini AI in your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the left hand side, click on the drop down menu and you can see that there are a lot of prompts. If you click on the three buttons and click on pin and save pin, it will appear on the top. Now, if you click on pin, it will be unpinned again. Let me show it to you. Click on the three lines button, click on pin, and then it will appear on the top of your screen. Press on cancel or pin if you want to pin, and you can see that it has appeared on the top of your prompt. Now to unpin it again, just click on unpin and it will be successfully unpinned. So this is how you pin or unpin your prompts in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.